Does anybody else's cat like to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
This area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining herds.
She's a precious angel. Ow. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
I'm just looking. Are you crying? Oh, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Hey man, you wanna fucking stop?
Te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste?